Hi guys, it's me Corey. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to make a pancakes. Let's get started. The ingredients are instant pancake flour. You can get in at grocery store, and I have one egg, and for the topping I have honey and ice cream. But if you like it, you can add some strawberries or blueberries, just up to you. Okay, let's get started to make a simple pancake. Put the pancake flour into the bowl. Crack one egg and put into the bowl and add some water and mix it all up. You guys make sure the dough flour looks like this, thick and a little bit liquid. The pancakes dough is perfectly. Look at this. Prepare hot frying pan without oil and put 2 scoops into it. Make sure the dough is perfectly cooked. Look at this. Flip. Wait until the pancake looks golden brown like this. I don't like sweet, so I just add a little bit honey and 2 scoops chocolate ice cream on it. Look at this. Yummy. Perfect. Look at this. Ooh, I have my beautiful pancake here. Yum yum. Can't wait to try this. Bon appetit, everyone. I hope you enjoy my video. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, like, comment, and share. Bye!